120 words per minute. Get ready. Start. A written notice of intent on to make the motion in such form as may be prescribed, signed by not less than one half of the total number of elected members of the Jila Panchayat for the time being, together with a copy of the proposed motion, shall be delivered in person by any of the members signing the notice to the collector having jurisdiction over the Jila Panchayat. The collector shall thereupon convene a meeting of the Jila Panchayat for the consideration of the motion at the office of the Jila Panchayat on a date appointed by him, which shall not be later than 30 days from the date of on which the notice under subsection within bracket 2 bracket close was delivered to him, and give to the elected members notice of not less than 15 days of such meeting in such manner as may be prescribed. In computing the period of 30 days specified in this subsection, the period during which a stay order, if any, issued by a competent court on a petition filed against a motion made under this section is in force, plus such further time as may be required in the issue of fresh notice of the meeting to the elected members, shall be excluded. The collector shall arrange with the district judge of the district to preside at such meeting, provided that the district judge may, instead of presiding himself, direct a civil judicial officer not below the rank of civil judge subordinate to him to preside at the meeting. If within an hour from the time appointed for the meeting such officer is not present to preside at the meeting shall stand adjourned to the date and time to be appointed by him under subsection within bracket 4b bracket close. If the officer mentioned in subsection within bracket 4 bracket close is unable to preside at the meeting, he may, after recording his reasons, adjourn by meeting to such other date and time as he may appoint, but not less than 25 days from the date of appointed for the meeting under subsection within bracket 3 bracket close. He shall without delay inform the collector in writing of the adjournment of the meeting. The collector shall give to the elected members at least 10 days notice of the next meeting in the manner prescribed under subsection within bracket 3 bracket close, save as provided in subsection within bracket 4a bracket close and within bracket 4b bracket close. A meeting convened for the purpose of considering a motion under this section shall not be adjourned. As soon as the meeting convened under this section commences, the presiding officer shall reach to the Jila Panchayat the motion for the consideration of which the meeting has been convened, and declare it to be open for debate. No debate on the motion under this section shall be adjourned. Such debate shall automatically terminate on the expiration of 2 hours from the date appointed from the commencement of the meeting, if it is not concluded earlier. On the conclusion of the debate or not the expiration of the said period of 2 hours, whichever is earlier, the motion shall be put to vote, which shall be held in the prescribed manner by secret ballot. The presiding officer shall not speak on the merits of the motion, and he shall not be entitled to vote thereon. A copy of the minutes of the meeting, together with a copy of the motion and the result of voting thereon, shall be forwarded on the termination of the meeting by the presiding officer to the state government and to the collector. If the motion is carried with the support of more than half of the total number of elected members of the Jila Panchayat for the time being, the presiding officer shall cause the fact to be published by affixing forthwith a notice thereof on the notice board of the office of the Jila Panchayat, and also by notifying the same in the Gazette.